Hi everybody, I thought I would just share a quick video with you about how to do a star stitch, since I'm working on this project right here that has star stitches pretty much in every row or every other row. So how you would do this is it starts a little differently on the first row because the first row is just a regular chain, but from here what you would do is chain 3 to start this row. And in the second chain from the hook, you go through that loop and pull up through that stitch and pull up a loop. And then in the one directly after that, you do the same thing. And you just do the same thing directly after that, which this one's always a little bit tricky to get into. There we go. And then in the next 2 stitches, and you'll have 6 loops on your hook like this. You yarn over, pull through all 6 loops, and then chain 1, and that's your first star. So in the star after that, what you would do is go through this eye right here, which was the chain 1, this thing right there, if you can see it, that's the eye. You're going to go through that, pull up a loop, go through the next stitch, pull up a loop, go through the next one, pull up a loop, and then go through these 2 stitches, pull up a loop, and you'll have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, and chain 1. So I would just continue repeating that all the way down this row. If you are starting with the chain, basically what you would do to start your very first star is you go, like starting in the second chain from the hook, you go through the 5 stitches after that until you have 6 loops on your hook, and you go through all 6 loops, yarn over and go through them. And then you chain 1, and that's how you make your first star, and then you continue on from there. But it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys next time.